Today we are going to revisit a graphics card for the RC2014 series of Z80 computers. I'll put the links in the description below. Previously we looked at version 2 of this pre-built card, which provided a 40-character text output and graphics screen. Today we can look at version 3, which is still pre-built, but gives the option of an 80-character text output or the 40-character graphics screen. As you can see, the boards are very similar, and still provide both USB input for your keyboard and a full-size HDMI socket for your monitor. The new board has additional components and a 3-port jumper option, plus a new jumper option to force either text or graphics mode. And here we are running the small computer monitor on our Z80 retro system, an RC2014. We're showing two screens here. The larger screen is the capture from my Teraterm terminal. The smaller screen is a direct image from the monitor, which is showing the output from the graphics card. Unfortunately, I cannot capture the output directly from the HDMI output of the graphics card, but we're doing the next best thing by photographing the monitor it's displaying on. So if we pop into CPM and go into my G drive, we do have a couple of applications we can show here. The graphics card has two modes. It has a graphics mode and a text mode. We're currently in the text mode, so we're going to switch over to the graphics mode now by moving the jumper on the graphics card. And now we're in graphics mode. So we'll now attempt to show a graphic on the monitor. And there we have our graphic now showing via the graphics card on our monitor. So we can take this a little further by having moving graphics showing, by running the plasma application. Now I haven't speeded this graphic up or changed the settings. This is coming out in real time, which is a nice demonstration of the abilities of this particular graphics card. So if we quit out of that and move the setting back to text mode, and we will change back to full screen. As you can see, it now manages a full 80 characters on the screen, whereas the previous graphics card worked in the graphics mode and can only show 40 characters. As you can see, you can program away in your Z80 system quite happily using this graphics card to output to your monitor. It's an advantage that the graphics card outputs in HDMI as opposed to VGA. So this new version of the HDMI graphics card has proved a very useful addition to the RC2014 Z80 systems. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching.